Have you ever had fried dumpling stuff with corned beef? Today I will teach you how to make it. Go ahead and add a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, yes people, and some sugar. Nice and good and wonderful. Then I will add some evaporated milk. This is optional, you do not have to add it in. Then I want to add some water and knead my flour, people. Yes people, just like this. Then go ahead, get a rolling pin and roll your flour down. Then go ahead, add some corned beef in the middle and fold it over. Yes people, nice and good and wonderful. You want to have it just like these people. Then go ahead and add some oil to your pot and fry them up, people. Yes people, oh my god, let's look at these. They look so good, so amazing, people. You definitely want to try this out. Oh my god, look at these fried dumpling stuff with corned beef, people. Yes people. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely if I follow on this video to see more awesome videos like these. If you want to see these videos and many more videos, people, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel, Remodread.